Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Breaking news. Danger looms in Sokol as National Weather Service issues particularly dangerous situation. Alert: we're tracking a powerful wind event expected to hit Los Angeles and Ventura counties this week, prompting the National Weather Service to issue a particularly dangerous situation alert. This means residents can expect extremely strong winds that could lead to power outages, property damage, and even life-threatening conditions. According to the DWS, sustained winds of up to 80 miles per hour and gusts over 100 miles per hour are predicted. That's capable of toppling trees, causing widespread power outages, and making it difficult for emergency responders to reach affected areas. We urge everyone in the impacted counties to take necessary precautions, secure outdoor furniture and decorations, trim back any loose branches on your home's exterior, and stay indoors during the storm. This isn't the first time Sokol has faced a similar threat, but the National Weather Service says this one has the potential to be particularly hazardous due to its sheer size and intensity. We'll keep you updated as more information becomes available. In the meantime, make sure to follow Newsflash now for the latest updates on this developing story.